Hi everyone. Today my order has been delivered from Yoeleo. I placed the order 21st of April. The parcel has been dispatched 27th, and today the parcel has been delivered to Hungary. So I think it's very fast delivery directly from China. This is my new carbon wheel set, SAT 38 dB disc wheel set. So from outside the parcel and the box is completely perfect, undamaged. Hopefully it is the same inside. So let's open it up. Just carefully. Let's see what is inside. Probably this is not the original ribbons. It was open for custom clearance or whatever, I don't know. So let's see. Anyway, it's perfectly packed. The ordering process and everything was smooth and easy with Yoeleo. The customer service staff, Linda and Jasmine, really kind. They replied quickly and clearly. So as you see, it's perfectly well packed. Everywhere soft foam protecting the wheels. These are the two spokes, spare parts. And this is the just let me remove this piece of papers. There are many. It's really well packed. I don't know what is it. Anyway, it served its purpose. And what is behind at today's stage of Giro Italia. So it's really well packed. So I think they sent many international parcels outside, and based on the experience they put as much insulation as possible. So let's see the wheels. This is the rear wheels, I think. So back. Here it is. It's beautiful. Wow. Yeah, this is a SRAM XDR hub. Because this will be the project. Econ hubs. The bearing is smooth, but I think it is the rotor. It sounds like a melody. Unfortunately, I have no tools home to check the spoke tension, but the first impression is the wheel is very well built. I'm excited to test outside in the road, but it takes time. Unfortunately, other parts for my project still missing. So this is the first wheel. Oops. Yeah, it's center lock type. For sure they will. Oh, the bearing is really smooth. Surface is really nice, matte finish with glossy Yoeleo logo. And here this is the SAT technology. This surface of the rim is perfect, no nipple holes, as Yoeleo claims that don't need any ribbon on the surface. It can be used without ribbon. So let's measure the weight. The claim weight of this wheel set is 1315 gram, plus minus 5 gram. So let's start with the front wheel. Zero. Okay. The front wheel is 603 grams. So let's see the rear one. The rear wheel is 758. So altogether it is 1363 gram, which is really close to the claimed weight. Anyway, the wheel set, the weight of the wheel set will not be the crucial point of the project. So yeah, the next video will come. I don't say coming soon because considering the lead time of my group set and the frame, it maybe took additional 2 months, but hopefully in August I can send a next video how the wheels perform on the road. Thank you for watching. You can contact Yoeleo. They're offering really fair prices for perfect wheels. So yeah, if you're interested, check their website and yeah, buy your own wheel set. Have fun.